Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. Back at y'all with another one. I told y'all I was gonna try to stay more consistent with y'all, even though this is not gonna be anything specific. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to pick up the wheels that I have for the G. I have another set of wheels for the G that I've actually been have for over a year now. My neighbor's been like, come get them, come get them, come get them. So I'm gonna ride over there and get them real quick. I already started the car up. This video is kind of like last minute, but I told you guys I was gonna start staying consistent. Even though I'm not able to buy as much stuff, I'm trying to give you guys some content on things that I do. So with that being said, let's ride around the corner real quick. It's literally like in my neighborhood. I can literally walk to his house, but I'm about to go somewhere else after this, so I'm just gonna drive over there. I gotta get a fluffy thing for this camera because it picks up too much wind. You guys probably already know that, but it picks up way too much wind. Oh, it's sunny. Here we are, we made it. I guess I'll give you guys a tour of what they have in their driveways too. I told him I was gonna pick these wheels up when I come to record like months ago. Oh, he's working on his car. Look at this, 240. Oh, I miss having one of these. Even though I didn't even get to drive mine. What up?
What's up, bro?
What's up?
How you doing,
my dog Logan. What you doing to this?
Trying to fix my exhaust.
What's wrong with it? It broke? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's a little.
Yeah, it's wobbly.
She a little loud.
Nothing that we can't fix, though.
Yeah, for real. What you up to?
I can't even get the wheels.
True.
Finally, right? Whose car is this?
240?
Yeah.
It's Corey's girl's car.
Really?
Yeah.
She got a 240 now?
Yeah.
So she's getting into drifting?
Yeah.
Whoa.
She's trying to learn how to drive, but...
She's shitting on me already. She's stunting on me with this thing. Damn, it's a big ass exhaust. What is that, 3.5? That shit's huge. I miss having the 240. And it's wide body already. Y'all see that? It's a girl's car. She's got a wide body 240. It already got the short shifter. It already got the hydro e-brake. The quick connect NRG steering wheel. I've been seeing this here for like months now, and I'm like, whose car is this? Finally figured it out. I think I saw you the other day.
Where at?
It was just like last week sometime. In Ocoee, in that plaza by what's that plaza have in it? The Gators Wings.
What was that driving?
I think you were in your Beamer and you were talking to a lady.
Maybe my mom.
Maybe, that's what I thought.
She's some like blonde hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, that. I
stopped. I wasn't in my car. I was in my brother's truck. So I stopped and I was like screaming. I was like,
yeah.
I was asking her. I was like, is that Logan? And she was like, who the fuck is he talking to?
It was like midday and some shit.
Yeah, that was you. I know it was you. I'm like, I know Logan and I know his car. But I didn't. I was like, that's probably his mom or something. I don't want to get out and be extra. What's wrong with this? Battery died?
With Corey's?
Yeah.
I think his alternator died too.
Oh, wow. This thing's dirty up under here. Y'all be going mudding, boy.
That shit crusty, bro. I can't.
Ah, that's that muddy. Them boys be going mudding. Oh, here go his Z right here. Don't you have a YouTube now?
Nah, not really.
Okay.
I mean, there's the fully sent YouTube, but...
This thing is nice. Fucking love this car. I can't wait to get on these boys' levels with the drifting. Y'all see it. These my actual drifting neighbors. I slide, they actually drift. One day y'all be out drifting with them when I stop bullshitting. Nice seats in here. Y'all see it. You did do a motor swap in here, didn't you? I remember you did that.
Yeah, yep.
Look at that. I pledge allegiance, swing. Let's look at his real quick. Oh, I forgot he had the bike.
Yeah.
He got the gold pegs on it, gold pedals. Love it. And a freaking canoe.
Yeah.
What you guys do with this? I'm going to assume this is Corey's and his girls too.
No, actually the kayak's mine.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I got it for Christmas, but I haven't used it yet.
Coilovers. Ooh, who's it? What's this for?
That's a lift kit for his GX.
Really?
Yeah, he's trying to lift it.
Whoa.
Yeah, he's getting serious with it.
With the truck.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. This thing's freaking beautiful too. They kind of kept it like the same. His is just blue. His is burgundy. They got the same wheels too, but he doesn't have his on right now. See the little VQ in there. VQ family. Oh, he got a little trim on here. That's cool.
Yeah,
that's new. When the hell did?
It's just a look.
Yeah, I know. It matches that, and those green wheels would go too. Let's go see these wheels that I was supposed to get like a year ago.
Bro, I gotta be honest with you, bro.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Real shit.
I'm listening.
I owe you some wheels, bro. I can't lie.
Oh, you got rid of them?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you did?
I did, bro.
Oh, straight.
I had to pay rent, so I know you paid me like you paid me like $300 for them, I think, already. So on the first when I get paid, I'll slide you the money for them. But,
that's fine.
But just to be real with you, I had to pay rent 2 months ago.
Nah, you good.
I couldn't even pay rent, bro. I lost my shit.
Oh, you lost your job?
Yeah.
I'll take that out of here. I don't want everybody to know your personal business, but
you good. You can put it in. Bro, look how tall our fucking is.
Yeah, them bitches tall.
Yeah.
Look at back here. Oh my goodness.
So
I just came back here and saw them like 2 months ago. I was like, okay, they still here. I'm gonna come get them.
Yeah.
I kept bullshitting though. It's fine.
So, like I said, I'm in a better spot now. So once I get paid, I'll slide you.
Yeah, you good?
Because you paid me money for them, you know. So you at least deserve that money back.
Yeah, you good.
So I'll slide you the money. I'll get you right, but.
No, you good, man.
Yeah.
What you doing now for work? All right, guys. So it's currently the next day. Obviously, my hair is different. I know you guys would never even notice that if I would never said it, but yeah, it's the next day. Didn't get to pick up the wheels. Long story on that. Today's a new day. I don't really have much planned today. I'm just gonna ride around and see what I can get myself into. I'm gonna stop by the gas station right now first though, because I'm on E and it's about time to put some gas in here. So we're gonna ride to the gas station real quick, and we're just gonna ride around and do a little bit of talking about what we got on, what I got going on, and I'm gonna try to see if I can, you know, get some runs in with somebody. I don't know. See if somebody wants to race it, somebody wants to do something. I don't know. I'm trying to stay more consistent for you guys, like I said, and with me not buying parts, you know, modding the car and making upgrades and stuff to the car, I don't really have much else to do. But I mean, I gotta figure something out. I said something, and I'm trying to stand on what I said. I'm trying to be more consistent. I'm trying to go up this year. My goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers this year. We just hit 5,500. Thank you all for that. I love all y'all. Keep the support up. We can go up because of y'all. I'm gonna try to give y'all all the content that you guys want to see. So again, comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Maybe if you guys give me more suggestions down in the comments, I'll make more videos on what you guys want to see instead of what I want to do. I might be running this Mazda Speed 3 just for the fun of it. I know he's gonna beat me. He's pushing like 400 to the wheels. I'm not even tuned. I'm running rich. I smell nothing but gas right now. But I'm just gonna run him for the fun. He says that nobody wants to race him around here because either they think his car's a shitbox or pretty much they know they're gonna lose. I don't care about losing. We do this shit for fun. You gonna win some, you gonna lose some. So I'm trying to get it. I'm gonna try to run with him. He never texted me back after I said I'll run him. So I don't know. But I guess we'll see how that goes. I would just pull up to the gas station. Gas is freaking $3.50. That's ridiculous. So my gas is like $4.10. Fighting with these dumbass prices. I ain't with that shit. I don't like spending this much money. It literally takes me like $75 to fill my tank up if I'm on the E or like under the line. $75 and up to get a full tank. Not fucking with that at all. I know it's a big tank and it's a big car, but $75 to fill up, that's ridiculous. I ain't on that shit. Let me show y'all where I'm at right now with the gas. Gas is, under the line. Perfect. I'm gonna put $60 in here with gas being $4.10. I'm gonna show you how much gas I get out of that. All right, so I lied. Gas is actually $4.15. I'm gonna put this 60 in here real quick. I got 60 to put in there. Y'all see where the gas needle was at? If you didn't, go back and look. All right, $60 got me 14 gallons, which sucks ass. Cause I remember back then when the whole COVID pandemic shit had happened. When gas was $2 there, I would get 10 gallons off $20. Now I'm getting 14 gallons off $60. So that'll give you the comparison already right now. So that'll give you a comparison. And look where we at. Still not even to the F. Off of $60, 14 gallons. Still didn't get us to the top. Well, what can you do? Nah, not drive my car as much. That's all I can do is not drive my shit as much. And then what I try to do is try to save money so I just don't drive as much. But why do that when I can just drive and make a video? You know. Okay, so now what I'm gonna go do, I had a YouTube sticker made for my car. I have my sticker made, another one. It's a YouTube one though I need to put on this car, so I'm gonna go to my homeway house and pick it up right now. It's gonna come out flying and shit. Yeah, boy, that thing, like, that shit like mine. That shit dirty like mine. Alright, now I don't feel so bad because your shit dirty too. Oh, a 5.0. I thought it was my coworker at first. My coworker got a 5.0 look just like that. What? Yeah, that blue is nice. And it's manual. Old man driving the manual.
Some old man came through earlier today with an Alfa Romeo.
Every sound good? I got a coworker that got one of those too.
I want to see one of those things bagged.
His name Kenny. He got one of those all black. He put the 19s on it. I think those motors suck though. They burn oil fast.
Really?
Cause he only got like 140 or 160. He said, and as soon as you start that bitch up, it's smoking out the tailpipe.
Damn.
Yeah, like 160,000, 140,000 miles, some shit like that. But who you telling? We both got a lot of shit to do.
I got a lot of work.
I need to clean that shit. I need to lower that shit. I can't get the wheels for it no more. My neighbor sold the wheels.
For real?
So what happened? So we had the wheels already. The wheels are already mine because I had his hood a long time ago. Yeah. On that purple 350Z, I had his hood or whatever. So after that, I just gave him like, I think I gave him like $300 on top to get the wheels. And then, but supposedly he had started going through a bunch of shit. He had lost his job. He didn't have no money or nothing. So he ended up using them to pay his rent. I was like, I ain't even mad at you, bro. I mean, everybody go through shit. So he just gonna give me the money back. He got going on.
That's gonna be clean though.
Yeah, especially when I get it lowered.
Oh.
I can't wait to lower this shit. Now I don't want to lower it with these big ass wheels on it because I'm gonna have to do it again when I put 18s on there.
You want 18s?
Yeah. I'm gonna go. That's what the wheels were. They were 18s that I had for it. But he ended up, like I said, selling them, which I ain't mad at him anyway because everybody go through shit. He by himself too, so. All right, y'all, we just got the sticker. I should have made you do it in that font.
Which one?
That one, the slimy one. I like that shit.
Oh,
it's straight though. It's straight. I like that font though. That drip. Where the fuck could I put it at? Cause I want to put window louvers on here eventually. I mean, I guess I can always, since I want that font, I can always just have you redo it. But my window dirty. I can't put that bit on yet. I told you that bit dirty. I ain't washed my shit in about 2 months.
That's crazy.
This bit dumb ass dirty. Look at this shit. Y'all see that dirt on there? Alright, y'all. If I leave his house right now, y'all done put my little cap on. Did my hair, so I want it to be nice. Tree limbs and shit falling, so. But yeah, just left his house. We got a decal, obviously, as y'all can see. I've been over here for over an hour now, but chilling in the sun, getting ready to go down. But let's head back to the house because I am ready to go. Oh, shoot. Literally just got off work and came straight here so I can finish this video. So I'll see you guys when I get to the house. Alright, y'all, so I just now made it home. Long day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a thumbs up, please. And hit that notification bell after you subscribe to the channel, because that would be great. Again, like I was saying earlier, guys, my goal this year is to hit 10,000, 10K subscribers. We're already at 5,500. Thank y'all again for that. Make sure I add me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, everything. Again, smash that like button. If you haven't, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Share this video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what y'all want to see next. I'm trying to be more consistent for y'all, so the more consistent feedback you guys give me, the more consistent videos I can post. So let me know what y'all want to see next, like I said, and I'll see y'all on the next one.